£50 million to £75 million in 1 year. That's what Kaveh Alamouti took from More Capital when he was, well, my age, 52, well, the age I am now. Let me tell you a story about Kaveh. I met him for the first time in 1996 when I was writing my book, The Mind of a Trader, Lessons in Trading Strategy from the World's Leading Traders, which the Financial Times went on to publish. Subsequently, I lived opposite Kaveh. He lived at 70 Hamilton Terrace in St John's Wood, and directly opposite was 63 Hamilton Terrace, which was where I lived in St John's Wood. Kaveh, when I met him, was working at Tokai Bank as head of foreign exchange trading. I think he used to be UK head of Forex trading for Salomon brothers back in the day, and then moved to Tokai. I went into a room to interview him for the book, and I was still a barrister, so I must have been about 25 when I first met him, 25, 26. I went into Tokai Bank, and he'd agreed to be interviewed by me thanks to Bill Lipschutz, who was in the book and used to work with Kaveh, and thanks to Mark Slater, who also worked with him anyway. Bill Lipschutz, by the way, not only was in my book, but more recently was Hedge Fund Manager of the Year a few years ago. And he set up Hathersage Asset Management after being Global Head of Forex at Salomon's. It's a small world. So I walk in and I'm invited to go into a room. And at the far end of the room is a chap who's just looking out of a window, and I thought, oh, it's the cleaner. So I was just sort of sitting around, waiting, looking around, and he turned around and started walking towards me, and I thought, definitely the cleaner. Sort of shirt hanging out, trousers a bit scruffy, and this was about 9 a.m. So, you can't be that scruffy at 9 a.m. unless you're the cleaner. Then he extends his hand. I think, why the hell does the cleaner want to shake my hand? It's Kaveh. We sit down, we have a chat, and amongst other things, the one thing that I remember from that conversation that he said to me, which I loved, was he said, we just wait and wait until I've got the right trade, okay? The right deal to make, the right trade, the right investment, call it what you want. So I said, what do you do most of the day? He goes, I'll put my feet up, read the Financial Times. I said, well, you're paid a hell of a lot of money. He goes, yeah, I look busy. I mean, you got to look busy. Do you know how much I'm paid? I've got to look busy, but no. Because what I do, which the others don't, is I just wait until I've got the right trade. That's what he told me. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you because I came across, well, I was having a conversation with somebody and I thought I'd look up what Kaveh's up to, and then I found this and I thought I'd share it. I might drop him a note.